Good morning, student. Now, in this chapter number 11, work and energy, there are two parts of this chapter. First part is work and second is energy. Last time we discussed about the scientific contributions of work. Now, by the different activities, you know that activity 11.1, 11.2 are the different situation in our day-to-day life when an object, right, can be do the work. When we do work, right, what happen, right, what situation is created. So you can make one list of the different situation in our day-to-day life for work done by object. Now, today, here we can discuss the work done by a constant force, right? So you know, in science, how we can define work. You know that what is work? Work means push a force, means let us define the work. Let us concept, right? We can take this ball, an object, right? And when we apply force on it, then what happens? After some time, right, it will be change its position and this comes to reach here, and then this distance should be covered by this object. So when you can push or apply the force in this direction, same direction, in the same direction of the displacement, right, an object can be change its place, then move the distance s. So suppose let F is the force, right, S is the distance, means we can say that displacement, and W is work done by an object. So we can say that now the work is defined as equal to, means work defined work is equal to force multiplied by distance. So work is defined as the product of force and distance. Work is W in the same direction, F into S. Correct? So F into S, work done by a force acting on the object, right, is multiplied by the distance and force applied on it. Correct? Now, when this formula we will obtain, means work is equal to force multiplied by distance, W equal to F into S. Let 1 Newton force is applied and 1 meter distance. Then what can we say about the work done? Newton meter is the unit. So 1 Newton meter, and the unit of work is 1 joule. J for joule. So 1 joule amount of the work when force is applied. It means, you know that when 1 Newton force applied on object for 1 meter distance, right, as otherwise 1 meter, then 1 joule work can be done. So this is the definition of work and its SI unit. Now, what can happen when work done by the object and work done on the object? So today, just we define work done by the object, constant force. Work is multiple of force and displacement F into S. Let us 1 Newton force is applied on the object to cover 1 meter distance. Then 1 Newton meter, 1 Newton meter, right, is the unit is 1 joule. 1 Newton force is applied for 1 meter distance cover. It is equal to 1 joule. So today you write the definition of work and its SI unit by this activities. Correct? So define work.